Ted, when we met with you at the Board of Realtors last week, we got super excited because we heard some loan options that are not available to the general public, and we thought we definitely want to get together with you, and then that way you can explain who you are and obviously what your company does.
Sure. Well, private money has been around a long time, and it's called hard money also, but it's no longer like it was back in the old days. It's pretty inexpensive. The rates around 8 to 9%, and the fees are really down. So what we do is provide loans for people who can't get loans through banks. So people have credit issues, whatever they may be, or most people are self-employed, they don't show any income. So we can help give a bridge loan to help people get into a property. May want to just need a loan for a month or maybe 2 years, whatever they need, and then either refinance it with a conventional loan or whatever plan they have to take us out of that loan.
Makes sense. And your company, RanchoTed,
Yeah.
tell us about that.
So yeah, what we do really is just around the whole country and mainly in this state. We provide bridge loans for people. It's really about loan to value. So for example, I've got a deal in Irvine right now where the purchase price is 1.3. And the borrower can come in with $400,000, which is roughly 30%. So in the private money world, it's loan to value. So 70% or less is where we look to lend money on. So in this particular case, the lady has a free and clear property in Hawaii, and she's selling that right now. So
Sure.
we're gonna buy this one right now because it's her opportunity to get it. Otherwise, if she doesn't do it, she's gonna lose out. And she's selling the property in Hawaii, and then when that closes, she'll pay us off like in 2 or 3 months. So that's an example of no income, no credit. It makes sense why you would lend because you know how she's going to pay it off, and that's kind of how we lend like that.
And that interest rate is going to be
Around 9%.
about 9. Okay.
Yeah, but the interest rates are interest only. As principal and interest would be way
that's
too
right.
expensive. So if it's interest only, it helps you be able to make those
You
payments.
can afford the payment.
Now, I used to be a mortgage broker, man, and I will tell you, the common sense when it comes to conventional lending is not there.
That's gone out the window now.
But
Yeah.
that's why I switch over to private money, because if it makes sense, you do the loan.
Perfect.
Well, I think that you give folks a lot of options that they don't even consider, and it's something
Yeah.
that our clients would definitely benefit
Right.
from.
Now, there's most people have never done a private money loan, but it's for situations. There's a ton of situations out there, and I've only named a couple. All right.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good to see you again.
Thanks
But I
for
got
having me.
another question for you.
Yeah.
How do you really say your last name?
Pshibilik. It's Polish.
Shabilik.
And that's Prizbilik. Just fooling around. I thought I'd throw a curveball at him.
He did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Ted.
All right.